Hi everyone, welcome. If you're not familiar, I'm creating a complete playlist guide where I'm just trying to guide you on how you can set up a cPanel complete web server. Okay, process is going to be same for cPanel VPS, VDS, or dedicated server. All right. Now coming to the part today in this video, we are going to set up Softaculous in our web server. So let's get started. Now, before getting started, as always, if you are looking for a reliable license provider, you can surely visit us at Hostrate. Okay, you are already familiar with the license price, but still I'm going to just show you once. If you have watched this part, you can skip to the next 2 minutes. Okay. Now, if you see the pricing here is a lot different than other providers. You can get unlimited license for just $4 per month. Okay, three is not $4. This is just $3.49. Okay. And Minify you can get here for $3. All these licenses here are for $3.49. Okay. Furthermore, if you want to purchase a bundle, here you can see you can purchase here a cPanel license bundle where you're going to get cPanel, Fleet Assistant, Cloud Linux, Lightspeed, Immunify, SiteFed Builder, Subtitles, Jetpack, WHM reseller for unlimited account, works on cPanel VDS and unlimited IP changes, and also works on cPanel, VPS and dedicated server. So this is where you can get reliable license. Okay. I've partnered with them. Basically, in general, I haven't told you about this in my earlier video. I do not directly own this website, but I partnered with this specific, provider. Okay. Now coming to the part, let's set up our Softaculous. I'm not going to use any official command. The official command part is now done. We just need to log in into your command line. A few things which we have to do. Okay, you have to just log in into your Hostrip account if you have purchased license from us. If you haven't, then log in into your other license provider. Okay. Now here you can see Softaculous command. You do not need to open this from directly here. You just need to go for the cPanel. Okay. And here you're going to find out the Softaculous license. Okay. So you just need to paste this license. Yeah. No, you are not supposed to directly run this command as like that. Get back to your WHM, search here for tweak settings. Go for your tweak setting. After, you just need to search here find cube. Okay. Now I don't know if somebody has created this video, but if you were running a production server and you install this directly, the server will be, okay. So make sure to enable this, otherwise you are dead man. Okay, you just need to reset up the server again. Okay, make sure to enable this. Then SSH the server at the rate. Oh, sorry. Next you have to SSH the server, SSH root at the rate, and then the server IP here. Let me just try to find the IP address. So what again? Enter. Provide here use our password. Sorry, the command. Okay, so this is how you access the server using the PowerShell. Okay, next you just need to copy this Softaculous command, run this right into your server. Server will automatically set up Softaculous. Okay, you just need to wait for a while, almost 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, you are just going to see everything from Softaculous. Here you go. Now this is going to basically tell you what is basically going on with your server. Okay, you can see here. Now, if you are thinking that we are done here, you are not done here. This is basically okay. After running this command, your Softaculous will be installed. Furthermore, I would highly recommend just go and check the documentation. You are not supposed to start a web hosting business into production mode unless you do not have good knowledge with their documentation. If you're thinking that after watching my complete course, you're good to go to ready a production server, then you're wrong. Okay. I don't even call myself an expert. I call myself a student of Linux as I'm not an expert. So yeah, just go and watch their official documentation. You are supposed to watch their official documentation, because this is not enough to set up a Softaculous on your web server. Okay. Now this is basically how this will be done. Just wait for a while. This will be active. Okay. Also, you can run this old command from your WHM. Search your terminal. Here you go. And you can basically run here these old commands. Okay. The reason why I don't use the terminal sometime, because if your internet just interrupt, this will just bug out and just say that, yeah, I'm disconnected, man, I can't reconnect. So then you don't know what to do. Okay. So if you're connected with SSH or like this, you'll be good to go. Here you can see licensing system start, because we used here our license command to install. If you scroll a bit down, so I believe this is not that. Okay, reload the page. Sorry, just go back to your WHM. Scroll a bit down. Here you're going to see Softaculous Instant Installer. Already told you, again telling you, if you explore every single thing in this course will be 8 to 12 hour long. This is not simple and easy. And still on this 8 to 12 hour, I will never be able to teach you everything you are required. This is the reason why when I started the playlist, I told that I will be trying to get you to the intermediate level. And don't even call myself an expert. I've already told this before. I will try to help you. If you face an issue, you can contact me. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to read their documentation. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day or have a good night. Okay. Thank you so much.